Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks Futures Market Preview, Domestic Economic Data Roadmap for the week beginning Monday, the 31st of August, end of the month. So, not expecting much there. And ending Friday the 4th, leading into Labor Day weekend. So, not expecting much there, but hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we can get something done. We'll see what happens. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. New highs on a couple stocks. Once again, is what it is. Let's take a look at everything else because that's what matters. Crude oil up 13 cents to 43.10, still stuck. Gold up $5, not near highs, 1980.6. S&P cash gained 23.46. The Nasdaq 100 up 69.69. The SOX semiconductors up 43 and change. There's a 13 sell signal in place there. The biotech's up $8.50, but not anywhere near highs. Russell 2000 up 13.78. The VIX nothing here, right? Still nothing going on in the VIX. Closing at 22.96, down $1.51. Apple. Why is Apple up here in the list? Hold on, let's go through the stuff that matters. The trend closes at 0.57. That puts the 10-day moving average. Look how it's dropped off, 0.89. Now, let's be clear. Remember, we always know when the 10-day moving average of the trend gets to 0.85 or less, that is a sell signal in the market. If I count back 10 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we have big numbers like 1.3, 1.2, and 1.35 the next 3 days dropping off. So anything low on the trend is going to get that 10-day moving average back under 0.85, and that is a sell signal. NASDAQ volume, this is the other problem. Look at this, 3 billion shares, and that was markup Friday in August, right? Nothing happened. The volume is horrible. The only other day that was near that was back in April. I think that's around Easter. And we have not seen volume that low since February in that perspective. So it's causing some issues in the market. The advanced client ratio finally positive, plus 10.25 on the Nasdaq. But again, look at the last couple of weeks. We've had more negative than positive on the advanced decline ratio on the New York plus 1130. Google gains $10.91. Apple, I'm sorry, back to Apple. I don't know how that switched out. That was weird. Oh, there it is. Apple loses 81 cents, hanging near the highs, but down. Netflix down $2.38 after that weird day on Wednesday. Amazon up $1.80. That's a minor nothing for Amazon, and it's not a 13 sell signal, but it's closed. Tesla down 25.35. Remember, Tesla splits on Monday, so that's ending for us. Facebook up 44 cents. Goldman Sachs down $2.44. So it's interesting with Tesla finally, which has been carrying the market, and maybe a little bit of Apple because of their splits. Remember, both of these stocks, the minute they announce their splits, you got to hold the stock, you got to get the extra shares, you got to get their ex-dividend date and beyond, and the stocks are up. That's over. The split occurs. Usually the stocks head down from there. So Tesla is going to be trading more like after the split, down at 400 and change. But the real issue is that it probably should head down from here. That's how this usually works. So we'll see what happens. Goldman Sachs down $2.44. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 12 cents. The Dow is up 160, and that's it. In terms of the ES intra-week, let's go to 10-minute candles so we can see the week is a positive week across the board. Gap up, dead flat Monday, not tradable. Tuesday, gap up, and then filled it, and then a little bit of drift. Wednesday, small gap, we just drift. That was our biggest day of the week. Thursday, a lot of wiggles, closed green, and Friday closed green. So it's 5 green days in a row on the S&P. Same thing on the NASDAQ. But again, the advanced decline ratio has not been positive every one of those days necessarily. So that is the problem that we are facing right now. And we continue to see the insiders selling off on volume. Even on Friday, the sell-off was on volume. In terms of economic data coming out this week, Monday, nothing. Tuesday, final manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing PMI, construction spending, awards, total vehicle sales. On Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change, Fed members speaking, factory orders here in the U.S., crude oil inventories at 10:30 Eastern, Beige Book at 2 p.m., Challenger job cuts at 7:30, initial and continuing jobless claims at 8:30, along with revised unit labor cost trade balance. Final services PMI at 9:45, ISM non-manufacturing PMI at 10, natty gas at 10:30. And on Friday, the big one is the unemployment number with the non-farm payroll stuff. That's the big one to look forward to this week. But keep in mind, here's the big things. Again, Monday, last day of August, the statement printing might be kind of dull. And Friday, even though we have that unemployment number, we're heading into the long weekend, which means what exactly? That's the Labor Day weekend. Markets are closed next Monday. Could be a dead day, so pay attention to that. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.